Good morning to you all. Hope you guys are doing well. I am happy to be here again. I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex market. Okay, for the past few days I've been discussing on how you can trade successfully using the signal indicator. We started by getting ourselves familiarized with the signal indicator, then we went ahead to how we can plan out our strategy with 2 minutes time frame. Then also we went a bit further by planning how we can get 5 minutes trading strategy from there. Then in my last video I did a video on how you can grab your 15 minutes candle, 15 minutes complete candles from this strategy, and it was fantastic. After just few hours after releasing the video, I got so many comments from people. They were really milking the market with it. Okay, today we'll continue from there, but this time around we'll be looking at how we can trade volatility 75 successfully using this unique strategy. I'm going to share this strategy with you. Actually, this video, there are two strategies I will be sharing in this video. I don't know if I will be able to share the two strategies from this single video. If I'm unable to share it in this single video, then that means I'm going to continue from there in my next video. But quickly, before going fully into this, remember, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you want to know more about any of my custom made indicators or trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now, and do not forget to join my Telegram channel in order to get my free trading tools and also to learn directly from me. And if you love any of my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, let me quickly give you this warning. Before you try out whatever strategy I'm dishing out in any of my videos, I'll make sure you practice them on your demo account first before you go. Practice and perfect on your demo account before you go live on your real account. Yeah, this is very essential, because this is what will make money for you if you do your own part of it. If you do your own part of it, that is, if you practice and perfect it, then you will be able to make money with it. Remember, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, quickly, let's check out what is happening in the market before we go on with today's training. Okay, I'll be starting with the with boom 500. I'll be starting with boom 500. I'm using the crusher indicator for this. For boom 500, it's been on downtrend for a while. It's been on downtrend. It's more of downtrend than uptrend. As you can see here, it gave us a sell signal here and got confirmed here. So you can see, you can easily come in and be in the market and trade for as long as 22 minutes. And let's see more. Okay, around here it started spiking because it got to this support level and it spiked up, came down a bit, started spiking again. And all these areas are the uptrend areas, so they are not safe for you to trade. This is when it came back to downtrend, and this is where you can come in and trade. Let's see where we got the confirmation from. Okay, started from here. There was a little spike here but went back, and this is giving us 21 minutes candle, so that is that. About boom 500. Let's check out boom 1000. I'll be using the signal indicator for boom 1000. For boom 1000, as you can see, it's more of downtrend than uptrend. It is more of downtrend than uptrend. You can see it. Okay, you can see the yellow line. The yellow line shows that it's in downtrend. We got our sell signal here, but the yellow line came out from here, and it shows that it's been downtrend. So after the signal, let's see how many candles that we got after the signal. This is 36 minutes candles. There was an invisible spike here, and it came down again. It came down again to this level before that same support zone. You can see it spiked at this support zone, got to that same support zone and spiked again, came down a bit, spiked again. It spiked because it is within the uptrend region, and you can see here that at the moment it is going back on downtrend. You can see the sell signal here, and the blue line has changed from blue color to yellow line, so which means the market is going back on downtrend. So we are likely to experience another spike once it is approaching this support level, except if it is broken. But if it is not broken, then definitely we are likely to have another spike around here. So let's check out what is happening with Crash 1000. For Crash 1000, it is on uptrend. You can see it's going up. It is all green, so it is favoring those that love buying. For those that love selling, it is either you stay away from the market at the moment, or you make sure you target the major resistance level before you place your pending order. So let's check out Crash 500. Crash 500 is also on uptrend. You can see it going up, and it is all blues. You can see the line is blue, and it is going up, so it is on uptrend. So it is favoring those that loves buying. If you are the type that would like to sell, you can come in around here. There is a major resistance level here. You can place your order around there. Once it is approaching this, then you should place your order. It's likely we get a crash or a drop down candle from here, except if the resistance level is broken. So that is when we won't get a crash there. So that is where we'll be stopping with the analysis today. So let's check out what is happening with today's training, which is amazing trading strategy for trading volatility 75. So we are focusing more on volatility 75 today. So many people have been asking about volatility market, so we'll see what is happening with volatility 75. So let's go to the platform right now. Okay, this is volatility 75. I'll be using the signal indicator to do the analysis here. I'm trying as much as possible to make it plain and very simple, so that we can trade with it successfully. So the first strategy I'll be sharing with us is this. The first thing you need to do is to make sure your indicator, your time frame, your chart is on 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, make sure your chart is on 5 minutes time frame. We consider the signal, which is the signal 5. Then we also consider the lines, that is the yellow and blue lines, so that we will be able to make the market successfully. So the first step you should look out for is the signal 5. Once it tells you to buy, then you should know that you are ready to buy. But before that, let me quickly say this. Okay, for volatility 75, for you to trade volatility 75, the movement is totally different from boom and crash. Boom and crash, once it is going down, you see it going down, except when there is a sudden spike for boom. But once it is going up for crash, you see it going up for crash, except when there is a sudden drop down candle for crash. So that is that. But for volatility 75, it goes up and down before deciding in the direction of where it wants to go. So that is why I always advise people, you should get used to red if you must trade volatility 75. Then also make sure you understand the market very well before you jump into it. It pays a lot. It is highly volatile. It pays a lot, but it can also make you to lose all your money within within a second. So this is very, very important. So that is why I always let you know that if you must trade volatility 75, make sure you understand the way it works very well before you jump into it, and make sure you have enough trading capital and also use a reasonable lot size in order to trade successfully. Okay, so let's see what we have to say with volatility 75 here. The first thing you need to look out for is the signal. I'll advise you to follow the signal that supports the trend of the market. Remember, the line is giving us the trend. For instance, we got a sell signal here, so you can come in whenever you have a sell signal and sell, then you exit the market once you get a buy signal and buy. So that is one method. You come in. Can you imagine coming in here? Let's quickly do some calculation. Can you imagine coming in here where we have our sell signal? Remember, for volatility 75, it is possible for you not to have the signal stable at the beginning, but once it is stable, then it is stable till the market is going the other way around. You can see it going down till we have a buy signal here. So you can come in here and also be in the market till, let's say, the price action gets to this place, then you can introduce your stop loss, because this is volatility 75. You can always introduce your stop loss to trail it down. So as the price action is moving down, you also increase the margin between your stop loss and your entry point. This is your entry point and this is your stop loss. Probably I should change the color of this so that we will be able to differentiate the stop loss from the entry point. Then also I will change the color of this to blue. Let me give it aqua blue. Okay, this is beautiful. So I can take it backward a bit to where we were before. Okay, this is it. This is our entry point, this is our stop loss, and this is our current action price. If it goes down to this level, then you can increase your stop loss, the margin between your stop loss and your entry point, to this level. Of course, this will be going up and down, up and down, up and down. If it goes up and hits your stop loss, then you will be taken out of the market with the profits between here and here. But if it refuses to, if it keeps on going down instead of going up to eat up your stop loss, and it gets to this level where your buy signal is out, then you can exit the market here. You can exit the market at this level. Once your buy signal is out, then you can exit the market to keep the profit between here and here. That is how amazing this signal indicator is in trading volatility 75. You can always trail when you are trading volatility 75. Another way to trade this is once this line change from blue to yellow, then you know that you can sell around that region, most especially if you still have your sell signal on. Once it has changed from blue to yellow, then you should know that you are in for a long downtrend. And the same way with a buy signal, we can see that we got a buy signal here, but it didn't go for long because it is still within the yellow region. So it went up a bit but got to this level and came out with a sell signal. Didn't go for long, but it's still profit. If you had come in here to take a buy signal and you exit the market somewhere here, I don't think it is bad enough. It is not totally bad. It is still profit since the sell signal is already out. So you close the market at that stage. It shows that it is yet to change the trend from sell to buy. So you can now come in for a sell and close here again for a buy. Then when you come in for a buy here, you can see that here it went straight up. You can see it here. it went straight up. You can come in here for a buy. It's changed from yellow to blue. Once it has changed the color, then you should know that it is ready to go for long, except if it finds it difficult to break that support or resistance level. That is when it will bounce back. That is what happened here. You can see it changed from blue to yellow and changed from yellow to blue almost immediately because it was unable to break the support level, so it went back up again. But check out here, the resistance level got broken and it went up to this level, so you can see it going up. We got our, you can see the buy signal here. You can see the white arrow, the white circled 5 here. So check it out, it went up to this level, so you can be in the market till you get your sell signal. So we got the sell signal here, even though it is within the blue region, which is the uptrend region. So it shows that the signal for sell will not be for a very long time, because it is within the uptrend region, except if the blue line change to yellow line. So you can see it coming down. You can see it coming down a bit, but got another sell signal again, which went up, came down, went up again, and till we got another sell signal again, which broke this line. That was the reason it turned from blue to yellow here, but almost immediately it changed it to a buy signal again, because it is yet to break that support level successfully. You can see the support level here. You can see it here. You can see that it was unable to break it. It got to that level here. It was unable to break it. It went back up. Got to the same level here. It was unable to break it. Went back up. Tried testing it out here, but couldn't get to the support level. Went back up and it came back to that same level here, and it was still unable to break it and went back up. And this time around it went back on full uptrend. That is why I always tell you, if you must pick the signal that is against the trend, then you should know that you're going to be in the market for a short period. Then your eyes should be wide open. Once you have gotten some profit and it is trying to get it back, then you close the market immediately, because the signal is against the trend. The trend might not the signal might, the action price, is possible for the action price to find it difficult to break that support or resistance level, depending on the signal that we are referring to. But check out here, we got the same sell signal here, and all supports levels were broken, and it turned from blue to yellow, and it started going down for a very long time. So that is how to go about it. This is the first strategy which you can use to trade volatility 75 using this amazing indicator. In my next video, I'll be showing you how you can even trade for a very long period of time using the higher time frame. So I bet it you won't want to miss that video, because it's going to make you a lot of money if you perfect that skill very well. So watch out for my next video. Until then, I remain Samuel Opeola. God bless you.